What up my people, it's your boy Mr. Flavour Nabania from Nigeria. I just want to let you know I'll be performing live at the Dancer Freak London concert going down on the 28th of March 2015 at the SSE Arena, Wembley. You got that right? SSE Arena, Wembley. Performing alongside with P Square from Nigeria and Shatta Wale from Ghana. If you don't know, now you know. So go get your tickets. Mr. Flavour live in your city.
Get ready. Solution Media and Infotech presents Dancer Freak London, Saturday, March 28th. Live at the SSE Arena, Wembley, aka Wembley Arena. P Square from Nigeria, Shatta Wale from Ghana, and Flavour from Nigeria. Hosted by Eddie Caddy, Abranti, and DJ Edu on the decks. £20 early bird tickets till February 28th. Tickets and info, ssearena.co.uk or call 07404 611 178. It's gonna be mega.